Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we are going to be walking you through this steam cleaner I picked up made by a company called HOM. So this is a very portable, lightweight steam cleaner that I got to do stuff around the house, steam clean stuff in my truck. So we're going to walk you through this steam cleaner. We're going to show you all the features, show you how to use all the accessories, and then we're just going to kind of go over some warnings just so that you don't burn yourself. So we're going to dive right into this video. First, we're going to show you the containers it comes with. So this takes a maximum of 250 milliliters. So they give you this little container that's 150 milliliters. And then you would just unscrew this cap, put your funnel in, add your 150, and then you could even add another 100 milliliters to the max for this, which again is 250 milliliters. So they already give you these containers. I'm not going to fill it up, and I'm not going to unscrew this cap because I already had it on and I don't want all the steam to release. So that's something to be very kind of aware of after you get done using it. If you want to dump the water out, unplug it and let it cool down for a very long time. You don't want to unscrew this and then have all the steam rushing out at you because you're going to definitely scald yourself. So let it cool down for a very long time if you're going to empty the water out of it. But all you do is just unscrew it by rotating this way. Put your funnel in, add your water, put your cap back on tight, and then plug it in, which we will do right now. We'll plug it back in. And then this takes a few minutes. I think the manual says like 3 to 5 minutes for it to warm up. So you'll see when it's warming up, this is already warm. I just had it on, but when you plug it in cold, a light is going to come on, an orange light right here. And after it's completely warmed up, that light is going to go back off. Okay. So then we'll show you, that's how it comes, just like that. And then we'll show you, here's your trigger. So when you want to lock it, press in on that side. And now you can't pull the trigger. But when you want to use it, press this button in, and then you could use it. Okay. So for now, we're just going to lock it because we don't want to kind of have it turn on when we're showing you all the attachments and scald ourselves, because the steam that comes out of here is obviously very, very hot. Okay. So we'll just show you this first attachment. This is the one you'll probably be using the most, and you could see how it's kind of slotted right there. Those two slots fit into this little nub right here and right here. And then all of the attachments are like that. So this is that same keyway as this and also this. So we're just going to line those up, push it in, and then just give it a turn this way. And that locks it into place. Okay, so now that that's locked in, you could even add some extra attachments. This is kind of a 90-degree little attachment that just pushes in. Okay. Here's a little cleaning brush. So I'm planning on using this actually for the upholstery in my truck. My truck is very filthy right now. So once I get done with this video, that's actually what I'm going out to do, is clean my truck. Okay. And then we'll show you this attachment. Okay, this is the steaming iron. So again, that goes on the same exact way. Put it in like that. Just line that up. Give it a quarter turn. Okay. So this, you could use this for, steaming curtains, getting wrinkles out of clothes, which is probably what my wife is going to use it for. So that's pretty awesome right there. And then the thing that I like about this is, we'll show you real quick. We'll unplug it. This turns into a squeegee for windows as well. So you can see these two little hooks right here. And then these two little hooks right there, you just slide them in and then just push down. And now you can put it on, and you could squeegee windows, do whatever you need to do in your house, in your car, truck, whatever. So that's a pretty cool little feature. And then if you're using this steaming iron to clean something, it comes with this little dust cloth that you can just slide over. And then this is also machine washable, so after you get done with it, you could just throw it in the washer to get it clean. Okay. And then the last attachment here is this is pretty much just like an extension. And again, has that same little keyway that you just push in and then rotate that half turn. And again, you could put these same attachments onto this, like so. Okay. And then you could also put this attachment on. You can see how it has those two little nubs. You would just line that up, turn it in. So now you have an extension to use if you're doing windows. And this is really, really lightweight. So you could pretty much take it wherever. You know, you could use an extension cord to get extra reach, but it does come with a pretty long cord. So that pretty much sums up the video on this HOM steam cleaner. Again, I just want to, you know, point out again, it does take a couple minutes to warm up. Let it get up to temperature before you start using it. And then you just want to unplug it and let it fully cool down. Like, give it a long time to cool down, because if you try to remove this cap, all that steam is going to escape out of here and you're definitely going to scald yourself. So just, you know, make sure you let it cool down. I don't want to see anyone scald themselves. So yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up the video on this HOM steam cleaner. If you guys have any questions at all, be sure to reach out in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out all of my other tool and DIY videos. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.